Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I wanted to share with you all my quicker version of dal tadka. This all started as I came home very late today and I was so tired and I wanted to whip up something very easy for my family to eat. So I came up with this dish, and this is super easy and super fast for everybody who is tired or busy from their day's work and have to come home and still cook dinner or lunch. So this is for you. I hope you enjoy it and like it. So let's get started. So for making this quick dal tadka, the ingredients that we need are tur dal or the pigeon peas. I have taken about 4 to 5 tablespoons of it. And then chana dal or the Bengal gram, I have taken about 3 tablespoons. Moong dal or the split green gram, I have taken about 4 to 5 tablespoons. The quantity or the ratio can vary. And the other ingredients apart from the dal that we or the lentils that we need are asafoetida, that is hing. I have chopped 1 small onion, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic which I have minced, 3 small tomatoes that I have chopped, oil, turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, some mustard seeds and cumin seeds or jeera for tempering, and green chilies. I have taken about 3 of them, and then I have slit and cut it into halves, and then some chopped cilantro for garnishing. So now get started with the recipe. I have washed all my lentils, and as you can see I have put them into the pressure cooker and filled it with enough water for them to boil. Now let's start adding the other ingredients. We'll start by adding onions. So this is the cup of onion and the 3 tomatoes, and to this we'll be adding the green chilies that we've cut. Some turmeric powder, we can add around a pinch to 1/4 of a teaspoon. Adding about 2 teaspoons of salt. You can add it as per your taste. Now we'll be adding the hing or the asafoetida, and this also you can add about a pinch of it, or if you prefer more, you can add more. And now we'll just give it a quick stir. After giving a gentle stir, we will put on the lid of the pressure cooker. I have closed the lid of my pressure cooker and placed the whistle. And now we have to pressure cook all the dal and the other ingredients till they are properly cooked. For me, it will take about 3 whistles. So we'll wait till it's done. Now if you see, dal has been cooked, and now we will be doing the tadka part. So for that we need to place a pan and switch on the stove, and we'll wait for the pan to get hot to add the oil. It's always better to add oil after the pan gets hot because it will prevent the oil or any other ingredient that we are thereafter from getting burnt. Now the pan is hot, we'll be adding some oil, and now we'll be adding the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds. As you've seen, the mustard seeds have started spluttering. Now is the right time to add the cumin seeds. And to this we'll be adding the red chilies and the minced garlic. Right? And now we will fry till the rawness of the garlic is gone and it turns into a little golden brown in color. We will add the dal. I have added the dal. Now we'll mix it carefully. Instead of green chilies, you can also add red chili powder, but I feel it's more tastier if you add green chilies. Now on a low flame we will be cooking this dal for about 1 to 2 minutes. In case if you feel the dal is too runny, then you can let it simmer on the stove for a longer time, or if you feel the dal is too thick, then you can add a little water to get the right consistency. So now we'll wait for it to get all the flavors of the tadka that we have added. Now switch off the stove and then garnish it with cilantro. And now it's ready to be served. Now we'll put this into a serving bowl. The aroma of this is so good, believe me. I feel like eating it just like that right now, but it's too hot, so I don't want to burn my tongue. And this goes great with chapatis or rotis, paratha, and even rice. So my quicker version of dal tadka is ready. Please let me know if you liked it and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.